Hello, in front of me I have Doogee S90 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. Let's start by opening the default browser, and to do it tap this icon right here. Now let's press and hold on this icon, on this button, back button. Here we have history. Let's tap on today. And in here we can remove sites one by one from the history by just pressing and holding on one and selecting remove from history, like this. We can also go back, open the menu by tapping the more options icon, select settings, privacy and security, and here we have clear history option. Tap on it and tap OK. Let's go back to history, and as you can see, the history was removed. I'm gonna show you how to do it on the Chrome browser too. So let's open the Chrome browser, tap on the more options icon in the top right corner, select history. Here we can remove sites one by one by tapping the X button next to them, like this. Or you can tap on clear browsing data at the top. Here we can choose between basic or advanced. The difference between them is that here you can only select 3 types of data to clear, and in advanced you can select a few more. Let's go back to basic. Below we have time range, and we can choose between last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. Let's select all time for the sake of the video. And finally, once you're done setting your options however you like, tap clear data and then tap clear. And as you can see, the history was removed. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.